All right. These are the elevators here at Guinness Tower in downtown Vancouver, British Columbia. Originally Otis Touch Sensitive, then modded with Dewhurst Junk in the 90s, which technically they're still Dewhurst, but I don't know what brand modded them. But as you can see, they're currently being modernized into and have Schindler PORT technology now. This is the unmodded elevator, well, the one original from its first mod. Otisito. All right, let's go down. Cardi. Oh look, they still got Old Otis lanterns up here. So this floor, they haven't switched them up yet. You can see there's your Schindler port indicator. See, those are the Dewhurst US89 buttons. You can see they covered up the floor buttons there. They going down?
Yep.
I'm just doing a video of the elevators. I see they're getting modernized right now. And they have this really cool Destination Dispatch Schindler PORT technology. You know, where you punch your floor in on the outside and it tells you which one.
Where's the brains of the operation? The computer brain, where is it?
It's up in a machine room on the top floor. Alright. Bouncy. Oh, and you can look at the shaft. That one's getting modernized over there. Okay. Elevator E. I think that's the one getting modded right now. E. Okay. Hello. All right. Shut the doors. And off we go. I'm gonna get a cab view when I have this one alone. Pretty nice cabs and elevators. Whoa, there's a power outlet there. This one is the door hum, I think. Yeah, that one's, I believe that, yeah, you can see that one's out. Lobby E. Interlock. Get a cab view. Pretty nice. See, we are going down to 1. There's your Schindler port indicator. Yeah, all the floor buttons are behind there. Hello. Yeah, going down. Carby. I think all of them are still original for now, but They're being modded right now. Whoa, jolts. Hello.
Hi.
Oh, you Schindler guy.
Yes, you're an Otis guy?
Oh, I'm a fan of elevators, yes. So you're modding the elevators here?
We are.
So are any of them completed yet?
No, well, we're about to turn the first one over, but the overlay that's been done
Yeah.
is what you see, the touch pads and stuff. So the destination dispatch has been complete.
Yeah, I can see that. Yeah, I can see how some the buttons on these are covered up.
Yeah.
Listen. Oh, nice. Well, thanks. Have a good day. Oh, going up to 23? That one's going up. That's D. All right, we'll go up one more time. Let's get a look around up here. Yeah, they still got the old Otis lanterns up here, but as you can see, that one is currently being modernized. They got that one being modded right now. Yeah, all the other ones are still original from the first modernization. Look around up here. That I'm guessing goes up to the, yeah, see, that goes up to the machine room. I don't know if this building has a service elevator or not. Well, anyways, there's a little tour up here. We're gonna call one.
This group serves floor 0 through 22. Please press again when you hear your destination. 22, 21,
Let's get the count down.
20, 19, 1, car C, 2, right.
All right, we're getting car C. This is the one with the door hum, I think. Again, pretty nice elevators. I wonder what they're gonna look like when they finish them. This was definitely interesting though, seeing the old buttons but them covered up. Alright, we're gonna get off here. There they go. That's it.